Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can buy fertilizer in Farming Simulator 25. So what you'll need to do is click P on your keyboard and go to the vehicles. And right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see consumables. Click on the consumables and you'll see the fertilizer. So as you can see, solid fertilizer, big bag. If you click on that one, you will be able to buy it. As you can see, you will be able to select the amount. Let's say I want to buy 10 packs. Okay, so the 8 packs. And what you'll need to do is click buy, click yes, and you will find that in your vehicle shop. So if you go to the hotspots on the map, you'll find the vehicle shop. Let's visit there, and you'll find your fertilizer right here. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.